Good morning, students. A very, very warm good morning on this auspicious day of Govardhan Pujan. Yes, students, hope you have also finished your puja and now we will start studying CA Foundation Mathematics LR. This is the most scoring topic for your whole of the syllabus. Very easy to understand, to solve. Very easy questions are asked by the students, by ICI, our ICI. Yes, so please be prepared. First, again, happy Diwali from the whole team of Just CA Foundation and the whole family of Unacademy. Yes, students, we, the Unacademy family, welcomes you to the family of Unacademy and wishes you a very, very happy Diwali. Yeah, and obviously, yes, the happy New Year. Yes, today is New Year also. So, a very, very, very happy New Year to all you, all of your, all of your family members, to everyone you know. Yes, from the whole of the Unacademy family. Yes, students, we wish this Diwali brings you lots of prosperity, and you will be able to clear your CA foundation exam in first go with 75 plus score in every subject. So students, all the best for your exams. Now it is time that you should devote your whole time in studies. Please forget this Diwali this time. As you know, due to this pandemic, we won't be able to celebrate this Diwali as we used to do. Yes, so please concentrate on your studies. Please study. Please be safe at home. Do not move out. Please do not move out. Do not meet new and other people. Yes, do not meet your friends. Please avoid meeting your friends. Just talk on the phone or have a video call. Okay, so yes, again, happy Diwali. So we will move ahead, move ahead. So on this day, I would like to announce that yes, we are starting with the new batch for May 21 attempt. Yes, students, the new batch for May 21 attempt is coming on 18th of November. Yes, so after 2 days, 3 days, we are starting with the new batch for May 21 attempt. This will be a detailed batch. Yes, you will study each and every concept in detail. You will be able to study each and every concept in detail. All the concepts, all the MCQs, MTPs, if RTPs for accounts and law, RTPs, and ICI module, additional question bank, questions from our side, practice question, polls, quiz, and your past exam questions. We will cover everything. Everything, each and everything will be covered in this batch. This batch is for free. You need not pay anything. Yes, this will be a mixed batch. Few lectures on YouTube, few on Unacademy app. They all are free. You can always see our lectures for free. No need to pay anything. Just be with us during the batch. Okay, so you will benefit it a lot, and we will hope that you will score 75 plus. We will try we'll try very, very hard that you should score 75 plus. And yes, I hope you will. Okay, so before moving ahead, you know what you have to do. You have to just download and install the Unacademy learning app. The process is simple. Just go to the App Store or Play Store, download the app, install it. Next, you have to select your goal. Your goal is, yes, our goal is CF, CA and CS, under which we have to select CA Foundation and Intermediate. Now you will get this window. Click on the Get Subscription button. You will find this window in which you have multiple payment options: monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, half yearly, that is yearly, and 2 yearly packages. Obviously, I will suggest yearly or a 2 yearly package. Why so? Because you will be not be able to cover the whole syllabus in 1 month or 3 months of CA Foundation and Intermediate, because this package covers both CA Foundation and Intermediate. So you will need at least a year to cover it, or 2 year is a more comfortable time. So please select a yearly or 2 yearly package so that you can cover all the topics of each and every subject in detail. And remind you, this is not for maths or for any single subject. This is for the whole 4 subjects of foundation and subjects of CA Intermediate. So in all 12 subjects. And not only for our team, This prize is for each and every educator listed on the Unacademy app. Listed on the Unacademy app for teaching the respective subjects. And there is no limitation of number of views. Yes, students used to ask me, so what is the limitation of number of views, whether we will see, whether we will be able to revise the topic if we need, whether we will be able to see the lecture n number of times. Yes students, you can see any lecture any number of times. There is no restriction of time, duration and views. You can see them anytime, anywhere, from your mobile, from your laptop, anything. Okay, so all the best and do subscribe. Apart from this, if you need to avail additional 10% discount on this, you need to use my code, which is CA Rajgopal, or CARS, easy to remember, CARS. Please use the code so that you can avail additional 10% discounts also. Next, just go on the app and search my profile, it is Rajgopal Sanghi, and click on the follow button so that you never miss any notification for my classes on app, because on app we used to take MCQs, polls and quizzes. So please click on the follow button so that all the revisionary lectures, all the practice sessions are on the app, so you never miss any session. Okay students, so we will start with our today's topic, which is logical reasoning. So students, we are starting with the first chapter, number series, coding and decoding in odd man out. So students, this is a very scoring chapter, a very easy chapter. You can easily predict the next number or the next code or whatever you say it. So it is very easy, it is very easy to understand, very easy to score. On an average students institute in the past 4 attempts, there are only 4 attempts for this chapter, so in the past 4 attempts, in on an average institute is asking for 5 to 6 marks. Yes, so 5 to 6 marks, you can easily score 5 to 6 marks if you solve this chapter thoroughly. So first what we will do, we will quickly solve the past exam questions. First we will solve the past exam questions, then we will solve some practice questions also. Okay, so I am not going for any theory and anything. We'll directly start with the questions, because the theory is very easy. You can easily read and understand the theory. Okay, so we will quickly start. This is for 2018 November. Okay, 2018 November. The question is, if play is coded as 8123 and rhyme is coded as 49367, what will be code of mail? What will be code of mail? What will be code of mail? Easy, yes, they have provided. So just you have to do one-to-one marking. P8, yes, I am writing for you. L1, A2, Y3, M4 for rhyme. R4, H9, Y3, M6 and lastly ES7. So they've asked for male, so this is the male. So 6 2, 1 and 7. 6, 2, 1, 7. Easy. 6, 2, 1, 7. So 6, 2, 1 and 7. Easy? Yes. A very easy question. So if you have any confusion, just write the coding. Just write the coding. Simply select the respective letters and form the code. Or you can directly solve it. You can see if M is this, M is used for 6, A is this, so third 2, L is this, play, L is 1, and lastly E is the last letter, so this is 6217. Or you can use the direct method. Okay, but many students are confused for direct method, so you can directly write the code. Next question. Again November question. Yes, again a November 18 question. November 18 question again. The series is 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 25. 25, 29 also. So next number. What is the next number? Very easy. Yes, very easy. Why? These are the prime numbers 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So next prime number is 31. So next number will be 31 only. See students, these type of easy questions are asked by by ICAI. Okay, so please prepare this chapter thoroughly. This is a very easy chapter, easy to score. Yes, so if you don't have much time to study, so please don't study now. If you have not yet studied differential integration, then you won't be able to make it now because the attempt is very close, so you won't be able to make it now. So please don't try to study afresh. Okay, if you've studied it, just revise it, that's okay. But if you are trying to study it afresh now, so I guess please don't do that. Instead of that, please practice all these. Okay, so that you will be able to score much more in these rather than going for differential integration. Okay, next question from the same attempt. If honey is coded as JQPGA, JQPGA. If honey is coded as JQPGA, which word is coded as VCTIGVU? VCTIGVU. Yes, quickly tell me the answer. Yes, students. If honey, HONEY, is coded as JQPGA, I guess they have used as HIJ, LMNOP, Q, UVW, XYZ, LMNOP. So what they are doing? They have missed one letter, HI, so missed I, use J, OPQ, LMNOP, sorry, LMNOPQ. So they have missed P. Okay, so like that they have done plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So just what we will do, we will subtract 2 from this because they have given the code. We need to find the original word, sorry. So V minus 2 letters, C minus 2 letters, it will be A, UVW, XYZ, ABCDFG, HIJKLMNOP, QRST, T. So this will be T. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2, PQRST. RST. So R, I, HIJ, GHI, G. Yes, this will be E, T, PQRST, RST, UVW, RST, UVW. So SIS. Targets is an option. Targets. Yes, target is in option. Option C. So yes. So understood what they have used. They have added 2 to get the code. So we will let 2 from the code. So V minus 2 letters is T. C minus 2 is A. R, G, E, T, S. So targets. Targets is the right answer. Targets is the correct answer. Okay. Easy. Understood. Okay. Yes, they are very easy questions. Yes, students, they are very easy questions. Can easily score 5 out of 5 or whatever the marks students are students I am saying repeatedly. ICI is asking, you can score easily 5 out of 5, 6 out of 6, as the case may be. Find the odd man out. Find the odd man out. Odd man out. 15, 21, 15, 21, 63, 81 and 69. 63, 81 and 69. So on the first instance, we can see these are all divisible by 3, including 81, I guess. Yes, 81 is divisible by 3, correct? 3 to the 6 and 7 is 27, 3 is 81. So also this is not the odd man out. Student used to say that 81 is odd man out with the logic that these are all are divisible by 3, but it is not. So it is not the logic. It is not the correct logic. It is also divisible by 3. So what is the logic? 81 is the right answer. So 81 is the right answer. So 81 is the square. Only one square, which is perfect square of 9, and rest are just different numbers. Okay. Okay. So this is the odd man out because it is 9 square. Because it is 9 square. Okay. So 81 is the odd man out. Next question. Next question. From the same attempt, November 18 again. Yes. November 18 question again. Again, odd man out question. The numbers are 7, 9, 13, 17 and 19. It is very easy. Yes. 7, 9, 13, 17 and 19. I guess you all know the answer. 9 is the answer. 9 is odd man out. Yes, easy one. 9 is odd man out. Easy. 7, 13, 17, 19. 9 is the odd man out. Next, we will move to next attempt, that is June 19. Now we will solve the questions for June 19 attempt. June 19 attempt. June 19 questions quickly. The question is 7, 23, 23, 47, 119 and 160, 119 and 160. Yes, 7, 23, 47, 19 and 160. Yeah, that's it. This is the question they have asked in the exam. Options, I can give the options. Yes, if you want, I can give you the options. 211. Next is 223. Next is 287. And the last is 319. Yes, 7, 23, 47, 119 and 167. You have to guess the next number. You have to guess the next number. So if we see, I'm not wrong, let me check whether we are right or not. Yes, if I say this is 3 square minus 2, so it will be 7. First one is correct. Second is 5 square minus 2, that is again 23, correct? Yes, we are correct. 7 square minus 2, 47, and like that. So I guess this is 3, 5, 7, and it should be 9. 119. 119. 119 is, I guess, 11 square minus 2. Yes, if I'm not wrong. Yes. So they have used prime numbers, I guess. Next should be 13. Yes, 13 square. 13 square minus 2 is 167. Correct. So the next prime number is 17. 17 square minus 2. So it will be, I guess, 289 minus 2. 287. Yes. 287 is the right answer. Got it? First I thought that they have used odd numbers. Odd number square minus 2, 3, 5, 7. I thought that the next digit should be 9. But they have used the prime numbers and not the odd number. Okay? Okay. Easy one. Next question from the same attempt. Next question. We will move to next question quickly. Again odd man out. 4, 12, 44, 176, and lastly 890. Odd man out. 4, 12, 44, 176, and 890. Four 12. 4 3s are 12. Four 3s are 12. Then 44, 12, 176. Let us check. Just wait. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 4 equals to 12. Yes. 8 4 equals to 12. 3s are 36. Plus 4 will be 40 only. Plus 6 will be 42 only. Next, if we see that, if we think that this logic is right, and 42, if we continue with 42, 4s are, so 4 2s are 8, and this is 4 4s are 16. 168 plus 8 is 176. Yes, 76. Now 176 into 5. 176 into 5. 176 into 5 is 880. 880 plus 10 is 890. Yes, so we are correct. So 42, that is 44 is the odd man out. 44 should be the odd man out. Yes, got the logic? We have found the series that 4 into 2, 8 plus 4, 12. Then 12 into 3, next number, the next given number into the next digit, plus the even number, next even number. So 4 6 8 10, 8 36, 168, and 880. So 42 is the odd man out. 42 is the odd man out. Understood? Yes. Should I repeat it? No? Got it? Yes? Okay. We'll move ahead. Next, from the same attempt, next question from the same attempt. It is very easy question. Madras, Madras. Oh, wrong spelling. Is coded as, Madras is coded as NBESBT. NBESBT. How is Bombay coded? How is Bombay coded? Easy, easy. Just have a one-to-one marking. MAGRAS. For this M, they have used NBESBT. So now we can find the pattern easily, that they've used 1 plus. 1 plus. Okay. So for Bombay, add 1. For Bombay, simply add 1. So it will become C O P L M N N B C A B N X Y Z. So it will become CPN CBZ. CPN CBZ. Yes, option B is the right answer. Option B. Yeah, we have not written the options, but yes, in the question they have given us option B. The correct option says option B. Okay, easy, easy, very easy. Next question. Again from the same attempt. Which one of the following, which one of the following is odd one? So they have not given anything in the question, just directly they have given the options. You have to choose the odd option. CEHL, CEHL. Okay. Next is KMPE. Next is OQTX, and next is NPS. So if I'm not wrong, they have used 1 plus again, C plus D E. Yes. Then 2, sorry, C plus 2 is D E. E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and H, I, J, K, L. If I'm not wrong, CH, all the options are correct. Yes, we have written the correct options. Yes, correct options. So A, B, C, D, E, N, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So I guess they have used 1 letter, 2 letter, and 3 letters, I guess. Yes. C, D, E, 1 letter. They have missed 1 letter. Then E, F, G, H. They have missed 2 letters. And H, I, J, K, L. They have missed 3 letters. So 1, 2, and 3. Next we will see L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So 1 letter, yes, missed 1 here. M, N, O, missed 2. P, Q, R, S, yes. So this is following the same pattern. L, M, N, O, P, Q. Yes, P, Q, 1, RS2 RSTUVW, yes, 3, so same. So this is the odd man out. This one is the odd man out. The pattern is same for one CEHL, KMPT, OQTX. So the NPSV is the odd man out. NPSV is the odd man out. Easy? Yes, easy question. A very, very easy question again. Next, we will move to November 19, 2019, the last attempt of CA Foundation. Yes. After that, we have skipped one attempt and postponed the exam also. So yes, 2019 November attempt. 416 36 64 100. They have asked for the next number. Students, please answer. Please answer. This is a very, very easy question. It is, yes, it is 144, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 square. Very easy. Very, very easy. Please pray to God as they ask these type of questions. They have again asked the Madras question. Same question repeated. Same question repeated. Madras and NBESBT question is repeated. Now just what they have done, they have used, instead of Bombay, they have asked for Delhi. That's it. Same question repeated. Next. Find the odd man out. Odd man out. 5, 10, 17, 5, 10, 17, 27 and 37. 5, 10, 17, 27 and 37. 5, 10, 17, 27 and 37. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. Yes, 17 plus 10, 27. 27 plus, I guess it should be 5, 17, 27 and 37. They have asked 37. Yes. Find the odd one out. Options are okay. Now we will use another logic. 5, 10, 17. So if I write it as 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Then 3 3s are 9. Yes, correct. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 plus 1. Then 4 4s are 16 plus 1. Yes, correct. 5 5s are 25 plus 1. So it should be 26. So this is odd man out. 27 is the odd man out. 27 is odd man out. Easy. Yes. Okay. Understood the logic? Yes. Easy. Hope you have got the logic. 2 plus 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. 3 into 3 plus 1. That is, they have squared. 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1 and 6 square plus 1. But in the case of 5 square plus 1, it should be 26. They have asked for 27. So 27 is the odd man out. 27 is the odd man out. Next. Series. They have asked the series. 4, 16 dash 256 and 1024. 1024. I guess these are the power of 2. So 2 2s are 4, 16. Then they have used 2 power. Sorry. Extremely sorry, students. I guess they've used the squares of 4. 4 square 16, square 64, square 256, square 1024. Yes, so it should be 64. 64. 4 square 16, 16 into 4, 64 into 4 into 4, like that. Okay. 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 Next question from the same attempt. Next question. System is coded as, directly writing below the system, 1 3 1 6 2 5. 1 3 1 6 2 5. Okay. Find terms. The code of terms, word terms. So T is 6, E is 2, R. We need to calculate for the R. We will see that R. M is 5 and S is 1. 6 2 dash 5 1. 6 2 dash 5 1. Now if you see S is 1, so if you think that R should be 2, then it is not possible that R will be 2. R will be 2. So from the options, I am taking the value from the options. Yes, the options are, A option is 62251, 62251, okay. 62451. Next is 64251. And last one is 62451. Repeated, 6245, 62415. 62415. So I guess option B is right answer. Why? Because 6251, only 4 is missing, so R should be equal to 4. R should be equal to 4. I am not using any logic here. I am just using the options. Why? Because I am not able to find, I guess there is no pattern as such, or if there is a pattern, they are not following proper pattern. So R is, directly we can use the options. R is 4. 6251, we have reached up to 6251, only 4 was missing, so R should be equal to 4 as per the given options. Next question. Odd man out again. So 1 5 14 30 51 55 and 91. 55 and 91. Yes. Yes, logic students. Last question for the day. Please give me the logic of this question. 1 5 14 30 51 55 and I guess 1 square plus 2 square, or 1 square into 2. 1 square plus 2 square is 5. Yes. 4 plus 1 5. Now 2 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 4 is 13 only. 3 square plus 4 square, 16 plus 9 is 25 again. Yes, the logic quickly. 1 5 14 30 51 55 and 91. So if we difference, the difference is 2 square, 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, they use the difference of 2, difference of 2, difference of 2. So this is 6. Okay, this is 4 square. 5 square is 25. The difference of 2. I guess 51 is the wrong, because here we are not able to calculate any differences properly. So the 51 is the odd, sorry, odd man out. 51 sorry students, 51 is the odd man out, I guess. Okay, so students, we will stop our lecture here today. We have completed the past exam questions. I guess there is sufficient for practice of this chapter. This chapter weighs 5 to 6 marks. So please, if you have not yet liked the video, like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed it, and if you want to subscribe the Unacademy Learning app, use my code, which is CA Rajgopal or CARS CARS, so that you can avail additional 10% discount also. Once again students, a very happy Diwali to all of you. Wish you a very happy Diwali once again to your family, friends, and your closed ones. All the best students, all the best. We are starting a new batch from 18th of this November. Please inform your friends, juniors, colleagues, whosoever want to attend this batch. Please inform them so that they will be able to score 75 plus. Sorry. All the best students, all the best.